A woman told me years ago, the happier I'd be, the closer I could get to what I want to say. And I basically agreed and told her that I would wait and see, but all this time I'd just been drifting further away. I thought I sailed my ship of discontent across the sea of content, but I realize now I barely left the dock. So here I am, washed up in this hotel room, somewhere that I won't remember. We do not disturb time, hungover the lock. And you never hit rock bottom, there's always more to sink, and the long run is further than you think. Whoa, you never hit rock bottom, there's always more to sink, and the long run is further than you think. Turns out the world is not a meal living on some world, the fun is winning. Such a shame as all I do is lose. Yeah, everybody's got to work, and apparently being a jerk is the only way you'll ever get to choose. You see, I'm doing it now, this isn't how this song was meant to go. And every time I have a drink or light a joint, it's not my primary intention to find chemical redemption. It's just digression and distraction from my point, which is you never hit rock bottom, there's always more to sink, and the long run is further than you think. Whoa, you never hit rock bottom, there's always more to sink, and the long run is further than you think. Well, after twice around the world and a couple times around the block,